day guys, probinsyانong trader na naman. Yes, a quick update guys, kasi nagpost na ngayon ang Hamster Kombat official account nila. So good news for all the CEOs ng Hamster Kombat. So sabay-sabay nating basahin yung update nila. So dear CEOs, we've received a lot of comments about the new playground section and we want to address them. First thing first, participation in various activities will impact the amount of tokens received in the upcoming airdrop, not the fact of distribution itself. All players but not bots will receive the tokens. So kaya ginawa nila guys yung update na mini games or yung playground games na parang bike, kasi maraming mga cheat bots na gusto nilang matanggal. So kailangan nila masend talaga sa mga players na naglalaro ng fair sa kanilang app. And dito naman clarify nila yung game mandatory to play. So basahin natin. We also want to clarify that no section of the game is mandatory to play. The game's philosophy does not enforce participation in any activity. The goal of introducing new features like the playground is to even out the chances for real players, new players, and players with different game styles to earn their share of tokens. So yun ang nasa isip nila guys, kasi gusto nilang ma-receive talaga ng mga totoong players na nag-grind, naglalaro ng Hamster Kombat. So ang mandatory lang guys to receive your airdrop or free rewards or airdrop rewards na Hamster token is to receive your tokens to connect your Ton wallet to your profile. So kailangan makonect sa Ton wallet yung profile natin sa app para mabigyan tayo ng airdrop rewards. But we want to make it clear we hear you and your feedback is very important to us, and that's why we will soon update our approach to games in the playground section. Will shift the focus from ad-heavy games to those with more relaxed gameplay for your enjoyment. And now the part of that you've been asking the most, the airdrop. We are actively working to make it happen. So talagang ginagawaan nila ng paraan, and I'm pretty sure na di siya madali kasi sobrang laki na ng community, 200 million players worldwide. So they are the fastest tap to earn game sa Telegram as of the moment. Okay, so keep in mind that this is a very complex technical task for all the platforms involved, since Hamster Kombat is one of the biggest projects in history. It can become the biggest airdrop in history. This presents potential overload for the networks involved in the process. We value you very much, and we want the airdrop to be carried out as smoothly as possible for every single one of you, and so that everyone can receive their tokens. Right now, we're closely working with the Ton blockchain team to develop the most efficient technical solution for our airdrop. So ayun guys, pinost nila as of July 29, 2024, 8:31 p.m. in the evening. Okay, and there are 604 views and 1,466 reposts, 156 quotes, and 7,000 plus likes. Okay, so nakita nyo na guys yung update and best of luck sa ating mga ka-hamster, sa mga nag-grind, and prayers for the developers na smooth ang pag-release nila ng airdrop token to all the players worldwide. So I hope papaldo tayo dito, and thank you for watching this video. God bless mga ka-hamster, and don't forget to like, subscribe, or share this video para sa ating mga ka-hamster. Thank you.